Hello, welcome to my video about the task HD1 for analyzing YouTube video data from news publishers. So my name is William Jackson, student ID 222-79765, and today I will explain how I did the data science task. So this task required us to choose a news topic and pick 4 different news publishers. Then we were required to use the YouTube API to analyze the data using sentimental analysis for the data. And overall, the task required us to analyze video titles and comments, which gave us the data in 2 CSV files, comments.csv and videos.csv. So let's get started and I'll explain the code. Okay, so let's start off with the settings. So the video files is video.csv, comments is that, credentials, start, all that, imported. So cleaning. So video comments.is null.sum. This line checks for the missing values in the video comments, and it returns the sum of the missing values for each of those columns. And the dot is null, so the function checks each element of the data frame for null values and returns boolean, and it'll be true which there was before. But so I use video comments, video titles. So I check for video duplicates in the video title column of the video comments data frame. And the duplicated function returns a boolean mask. It indicates whether each value is a duplicate or it's not, and sum just finds the sum of it, and then true if it was. So there was before, but there's not anymore because I use this. So this deletes the this line removes the duplicate rows from the video comments data frames based on the column of the video title, and it drops the duplicates using drop duplicates. So that's cleaning. That's all the cleaning. So so that's that. That was all good. So get sentimental score, and that's just get sentiment. So let's start with the E1. So what is the monthly distribution of the positive, negative, and neutral sentiments in the video titles and comments from Jan 2020 and Jan 2021? Use visualization. So I loaded the data, so the video CSV, comments. I convert the published at column to a date time. I've done that there. Extracted the year and month from the published at. I've then converted the comment date column to a datetime object for comments underscore data. And then I've extracted the year and month from the comment date. And then I applied the get sentiment function, which you had to do for. Applied it. Then I've defined the start date. So I want it to start from Jan 1st, 2020, and it end on Jan 1st, 2021. And then I've filtered the videos and comments based on that data range. So yeah, I've done that, end date. Then I've grouped the video titles using group by, and I've done this does for each month, published year. So title sentiment, and it gets the value unstacked. Then group comment sentiment analysis by month. So I filter the comments group by with comment year and comment month with a comment sentiment and a value. And then I want it to make it look nice, and I chose the pastel. So I used the SNS data frame to use the pastel palette. And then I've created a figure with 2 subplots. So 1, 2. Fig axis, plot, subplots, 1, 2, so 1 by 2, and size of 12 by 6. Plot video titles, so I've stacked it like that. Then the month, I've done a count, which is here, which is how many times either negative, neutral, or positive happened. A legend, which is that cool thing in it. Plot, comment, sentiment analysis, comment like that. And then I've set the X label to month, as we can see there. Count, sentiment analysis, which is the top, and the legends there. Displayed the plot as tight, so it's nice and tight next to each other, and I've just shown it all. So my observation is that the closer it gets to the grand final, so the A4 grand finals is late September, the higher number of comments throughout the year. This would explain why there is a massive gap between the 12th month and the 10th month, because in the 12th month there's no footy. So observation 2, my second observation, is that the number of negative comments that peaks in the middle of the years between both groups in the video titles and comments. So right here and here, with that being an outlier. Well, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you. Oh yeah, and the biggest obstacle I had was the y-axis was really off before, but I just played around with it and it fixed. I'm not too sure what the issue was, but it looks all good now, so it works. Well, thank you.